How are you? I hope you're fine. Let's see what do we have for today. Today we have a new concept. What do we have for today? Yes, today we're gonna learn the addition. The addition. What does it mean, addition? Addition, it means add something to something. For example, when you have these pencils, and I will give you those pencils. Let's count how many pencils do you have. 1, 2, and 3. You have 3 pencils, and how many pencils do you have? 1, 2. So you have 3 pencils, and I will give you more 2. So how many pencils do you have now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now you have 5 pencils. What does it mean? We have a number and I will add another number. Let's see another example. Now we have a number of eggs. Let's count them. Those is for you. Those eggs for you. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And those eggs for me. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3. Let's add them all together. Count them all together. I will add 3 eggs to the 4 eggs. Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I have 7 eggs. Now I have 7 eggs. Let's see the sign of addition. Let's see the sign of addition. Addition has a friend, close friend. Who is she? Yeah. It calls plus. It calls plus. It calls plus. Plus, she's very hungry. She's suffering. She wants to eat. Plus, here, search for the bigger number. When I see plus here, I have to search for the bigger number because she's very, very hungry. So, the first sign here that we have, plus. Plus. Let's see the other sign. Yeah. Who can tell me what is this? Yeah, it's equal. 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 It calls equal. So, plus, search for the bigger number. Plus is searching for the bigger number. When I see plus, I'm searching for the bigger number because she's very, very hungry. Let's see the first equation that we have. Okay, who can read this with me? First number here is 5. Excellent. Plus 2 equals. All together it calls equation. 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 So we have 5 plus 2 equals. When I see plus in the equation, plus here, she's very hungry. She's searching for the bigger number or the smaller number. Excellent. Plus, she's very hungry. She's very, very hungry. She's searching for the bigger number. Which one here is the bigger number? 5 or 2? Which one is the bigger number? Excellent. 5 is the bigger number. What am I supposed to do now? When I have the bigger number here and plus, I put the bigger number in my mind and the other number, the smaller number, on my fingers. So I have here 5 in my mind and 2 on my fingers and count after the bigger number. I have 5 in my mind and 2 on my fingers. After 5, put the bigger number in my mind and the smaller number on my fingers and count after the bigger number. After 5, 6, 7. Excellent. Let's see another equation. Let's read. 3 plus 1 equals. Here we have the sign plus. Plus is searching for the bigger number. Which one's the bigger number here? We have 3 and 1. Which one's the bigger number? Excellent. 3 is the bigger number. What is supposed to do with the bigger number? Put the bigger number in your mind and the smaller number on your fingers. After 3, 4. Excellent. Let's see the result. Excellent. So 3 plus 1 equals 4. Because here we have plus. Plus is searching for the bigger number. And the bigger number here is 3. Put the bigger number in your mind and the smaller number on your fingers. After 3, 4. Excellent, excellent. Let's see another equation. Now we have a different equation. Let's see when I have the same number. What am I supposed to do when I have the same number? Here we have 2 plus 2 equals. Plus here is searching for the bigger number. Let me ask you, which one is the bigger number here? We have 2 and another 2. What am I supposed to do when I have 2 and the same number, 2? And we have plus, and plus is searching for the bigger number. What is supposed to do? Put any number of them in your mind and the other number on your fingers and count after. Let's see. I have 2 plus 2 equals. I put any 2 in my mind and the other 2 on my fingers and count. After 2, 3, 4. Excellent. So when I have the same number and we have the sign plus and plus is searching for the bigger number, there is no bigger number here. They are the same. They are equal. Let me see. I put any number in my mind and the other number on my fingers and count after. Let me see. I have 2 in my mind and the other 2 on my fingers. After 2, 3, and 4. So when we have the same number, what I'm supposed to do? I put any number in my mind and the other number on my finger and count them. Let's see another equation. Let's see what do we have here. Oh, we have the same number again. Let me see. We have here 5 plus 5 equals. What am I supposed to do when I have plus? When I see plus, I have to search for bigger number. Which one is the bigger number here? There is no bigger number. They are the same. They are equal. So what am I supposed to do? I put any number in my mind and the other number on my finger and count. Let me see. I have 5 in my mind and the other 5 on my fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 here. Let me see. 5 in my mind. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So when I have the same number, I put any number in my mind and the other number on my finger and count after. 5 plus 5 gives me 10. So when we have the same number, what we're supposed to do? Put any number in your mind and the other number on your finger and count after. Let me see another equation. We have here another equation with 0. Let's read the equation first. 6 plus 0 equals. When I have 0, it means nothing. It means nothing. 0 here is very weak. It's very, very weak. So I will take my number and go out. I will take my number and go out. So anything plus is 0 plus 0, it gives me the same number. But when we have 0, it means I have to take my number and get out. I have to take my number and get out. So anything plus 0, it gives me the same number. What does it mean? 6 plus 0, it gives me the same number here. What's the number that we have here? 6. So 6 plus 0, it gives me 6. It's very easy. It's very, very easy. When I see 0, I take my number and get out. So 6 plus 0 gives me 6. 1 plus 0, 1. 100 plus 0 gives me 100. I have 69 plus 0 equals 69. I have 43 plus 0, it gives me 43. It gives me the same number. Let's see another one. Ooh, we have another 0 here. Let's read the equation first. 8 plus 0 equals. When I have the 0 here, what is supposed to do? Direct. We take our number and get out. 8 plus 0 gives me 8. Why? Because 0 here is very weak and it means nothing. I take my number and get out. Anything plus 0, it gives me the same number. What's the number that we have here? 8. So 8 plus 0 equals 8. Let's see. Ooh, I have here 22 plus 0 equal. Anything plus 0, it gives me the same number. Excellent. So 22 plus 0 equals 22. I take my number and get out. Take your number and get out. So anything plus 0, it gives me the same number. Excellent. Let's see what do we have here. Let's read the equation. 3 plus 2 equals. Plus, as we said before, plus is searching for bigger number. Which one is the bigger number here? 3 or 2? I have 3 and I have 2. Which one is the bigger number here? Excellent. 3 is the bigger number. What is supposed to do with the bigger number? Put the bigger number in your mind and the smaller number on your fingers and count after the bigger number. After the bigger number, you have 3 in your mind and 2 on your finger. After 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Thank you very much. Let's see. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. Thank you very much. Let's see the other equation that we have here. 7 plus 0 equal. As we said before, when we have 0 in our equation, so anything plus 0, it gives me the same number. So 7 plus 0 equals 7. Excellent. Why? Because 0 here is very weak. Means nothing. I take my number and get out. Let's see the result. So anything plus 0 gives me the same number. Let's see another equation. 4 plus 4 equals. When I see plus, I'm searching for the bigger number. Which one's the bigger number here? I have no bigger number. They are the same. They are equal. I have 4 and 4. There is no bigger number. What is supposed to do? I put any number in my mind and the other number on my fingers and count. I have 4 in my mind and the other 4 on my fingers. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 in my mind and 4 on my fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. The last thing we talk about? We have the addition. Addition means add something to another thing. Let's see. The sign of the addition is plus. Plus is searching for the bigger number. What am I supposed to do with the bigger number? I put the bigger number in my mind and the smaller number on my fingers and count after the bigger number. When I have the zero, what is supposed to do? Anything plus zero, it gives me the same number. I take my number and get out. Take your number and get out. Let me see. When I have the same number, what is supposed to do? When I have plus and I have the same number, what is supposed to do? I take any number, put it in your mind, and the other number on your fingers and count after. That's it. Thank you very much.